ReadyLifts has two great new choices for the HD GM 2020 and newer. We have a 6-inch kit and an 8-inch kit. Now what you're looking at here is our 8-inch kit. Now this kit creates plenty of clearance for a 38-inch tire, and it's done so with lots of componentry. 8 inches is a lot of lift, requires a lot of good stuff. We have a 1/4-inch steel plate, skid plate in the front and rear cross members, drive CV axle extensions, diff drop spacers. Diff drop spacers are unique between the 6 and 8 depending on the required amount for each height of lift. The 8-inch kit will come with our fabricated upper control arm. That attaches to a cast steel knuckle. What's unique about this kit is we chose to address the torsion bar location with a relocation high clearance bracket in the front. So we're using the factory location in the rear. In the front we have a bracket that has a compressed bushing to keep it in location and does not tie into the shock mount. The benefit of that is you can now go with an extended length aftermarket shock. Now this kit will come with 2 shock configurations, a monotube SST3000 and the Bilstein 5100 series shock. The rear is done with lift blocks and the shock of your choice. The 6-inch version of the ReadyLift 2020 GM HD kit has a few features that are different from the 8. First of all, you're going to retain the use of your factory upper control arms and your factory torsion bar keys. The diff drop bracket, or drop bracket, is specific to the 6-inch kit, and of course the block height's different in the rear. Along with that comes smaller tire size, but just a little. These are 37-inch tires. With a 20x9 0, you would have no clearance issues. We went with a 22x10 -18, so we did trim a little up here in the front. So, 2 choices, 6 and 8. This is the 8, and to give you some reference, I'm 6'1", so this is a big truck. Enjoy. To learn more, visit ReadyLift.com, and as always, follow us on the socials.